Hello, this is the Santa train station that we assembled together. We assembled it, so I just want to make a short video about it. So, this is the main station, and here you go. This is the train where it has a truck, and the guy is just in the truck, and if you look, I just want to take a quick view of the entire structure. This took to for me for us to assemble it. It took a while for me. Okay, this is just one more station, and this is the other station that's in here. And this is a bridge, and this is where hypothetically I can say that fill some water, and this is the cave where the train goes from inside, and this is the structure where you go back, and and from here this is the entrance for the this is where you come this route to go to the North Pole. And this is the Santa station, and there is one more train here where you can see that inside the driver is sitting inside. So this is the entire structure. See how lengthy it is. Okay, I'm going to start one of the train. This is the start button. Okay, see that? is the Christmas song where it is the entire station is getting light up and all aboard. That's what it's saying. Hey, how nice of it. Play it one more time. Back it up. Play it one more time. There you go. The Santa is right here. Oh, here it lights up here. See that? Once the train gets on it, it lights up. The batteries are weak. That's the reason it is going little slow. Otherwise, it goes really fast. Mm. So this is the remote that for this train where you can move forward and if I want to get it back, all you got to say is stop it and press this back. It is coming back. It's getting all the way up. Going back to the station. There you go. It is right in the station right now. There you go. It's going back. If you look at it, if you push it to the front, and it will stay there and it will work, or push it to the back, it will come back. See, if it is in the middle, then it does stop. And it has a lot of accessories. I'll show you some of the cool features does it have. One feature is, see, this is the, look at it. See, I'm inserting one of the big boy right in there and he comes right to the top. This is the, see, it's like an elevator. There you go. Elevator. The big boy is right here. Right here. So this is an elevator and a few other things like look at this. bull ride. You keep on rotating it. See, you have to rotate this. And here you go. The rider is right on the ball. See, the rider, this is the rider. So the bull rider. So to fit it in, see, watch this. This is the seat, bull rider seat. So all you got to do is press it. Now, if the bull rider falls down, then he lost it. Oh, he fell down. Oh, that's bad. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, you did it. Oh. Let's see. Oh, you're doing it great. You're doing great. Come on, go ahead. Oh my God. Oh, good. Oh, beautiful. Ah. This is one of the cool accessory. Okay. And here, as I said before, if you press right here, see, that's the Santa song that's going to come. And right here also, this one has, the batteries are weak right now. Otherwise, this will sing a song too. You know, if you see right here, uh, see, they are lighting up, but not that great because my kids played, really drained the batteries out. And the other accessories are, see, these are, I'm going to show you these. See, this is one more train, and these are all the Santa trains. And I don't know, we used to have one more train, but I don't know where it is right now. So this is also a Santa train. And for this Santa train, this is the um, this is the remote. So the same thing. Press back, press forward, and ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! Ho ho ho! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Merry Christmas! Ho ho ho! So I really like these. It's a great. It's a great structure, and really, it well constructing it. I felt little frustrated. I mean, it took me too long, but after doing all the work, I felt like, wow, this is really great, and I felt like I became a kid again. So I played along with my kids, and um, it was so damn good, and really, uh, my kids love it. They really they blast it out. They want to play all day long with it, but they have to go to daycare and stuff like that. But these are all the accessories that came along with them. I bought it. Some of them were bought um, 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 after I bought the structure, a diesel engine. I mean, uh, this is the diesel. See, so it's really, really great. And see right here, if I press this, as soon as the train gets onto it, I'll show you. Say, for example, the train is right here, see? And the lights are blowing up like a park theme, Santa Park. This is the Iceman here. And uh, see the Iceman? See the snow Iceman right here. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. See, you you feel really great about um, while doing while playing with it. You feel really great. Mm. And I'm going to show you this one too. See this one, it is out of batteries too, so um, it works like the crane where you can grab, you know something, like if you want to grab like that, you'll grab that and it will come back like this. See that? It rotates all 360 degrees, which is really great. You see that? Uh-oh. So some of the features are really, really mind-boggling. Um, and if you look at this, see, it is really some kind of, whoever designed it has really put some mind to it. I mean, it's really great. What I can say, it's hats off for them. If you look at it, see how great it is. The structure goes down, come a bridge on the, and it goes down. It's really, while playing with it, I feel like I became a kid again. So, and um, I hope you like this video. Um, and yeah, it took quite a while for me to put all this together. And I do have some of the rails still left, but I couldn't do it. It is taking too much time. So I guess, I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. I will be having more videos like this. Uh, Thanks for watching the video, and you have a Merry Christmas.